Good morning. Thanks for your company this Tuesday, the 20th of October. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, that new US coronavirus stimulus package is still up in the air, would you believe, even though the US election is under 15 days away. In fact, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi is working to a 48-hour countdown to come up with a deal and hand it to the Trump administration to potentially be passed before the election. So it's easy to see why traders and investors are indeed on tender hooks. Investors then absorbed news from the Washington Post that a deal was not sounding imminent. And we saw US equities fall to their session lows for the day after that news broke. Now, this is all despite better than expected economic news coming through, with US home builder sentiment soaring to a record all-time high. The benchmark S&P 500 lost 1.6, the Dow down the least 1.4, the Nasdaq down the most 1.7. As for commodities, a bit of a sour night for them. Ho-hum, in fact. The oil price lost 0.2%, falling to $40.73 US, and the gold price dipped. It rallied and then fell back to where it was yesterday. It's now $1,906 US an ounce. As to what to expect locally, the futures are suggesting the market will retreat 0.7%, considering the ASX 200 did scale to a new 7-month high yesterday. That's something indeed to take into consideration, that it's at its highest level since the 6th of March. It's important to remember as well that the market is in a technical breakout point, trading above its 250-day moving averages, indicating the market is likely to explore higher levels. And this is something that Morgan Stanley is expecting as well, calling on the market, or saying that the market will rally in the medium term as well. So that's a key consideration to watch. What else to watch? Well, reporting results today are out for BHP, their quarterly numbers. All eyes will be on detail about China's alleged Australian coal ban, and Sydney Airports reports September traffic numbers. As for AGMs, they're continuing to roll through thick and fast. Bapcor, Cochlear, Lovisa, McMillan, Shakespeare, SGP and Tabcorp all hold AGMs today. As for economic news, well, no economic news, but plenty of speeches. The RBA Assistant Governor of Financial Markets speaks about monetary policy today and the tools to stimulate the economy. So close attention will be paid to that speech at 10 a.m, given the unemployment rate still has a fair way to drop, and the RBA minutes will be released today at 11:30 a.m. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, South 32 has been reiterated as a UBS buy, $3 target, after they handed down quarterly results yesterday, bumped up their outlook and reinstated their share buyback program. So that's South 32, a UBS buy. And Bell Potter upgraded car repair and aftercare business AMA their buy rating, increasing their price target to 95 cents, and that implies almost 40% upside. Bell Potter says given Victoria's lockdown is easing, or lockdowns are easing, AMA should be able to increase its earnings well above what AMA is expecting. And Ansell has been maintained as a city buy with a $41 target. The PPE manufacturer held its capital markets day last week, the first one in fact since 2017, and Ansell unveiled its new targets. As such, Citi increased its earnings per share growth forecast to between 6 and 12% from this financial year up to 2023, which is supported by demand for medical gloves from COVID-19, with demand tipped to remain high for some time. Lastly, keep an eye on Oz Minerals, OZL, Orica and Zunono, ZNO, all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Stay safe, happy trading.